Do you know what the hadiths are?
What's that?
What are the hadiths?
The hadiths are fantasy stories.
No. Give me, don't make it.
Tell me why hadiths aren't fantasy stories.
Tell me.
You tell me why
Are
hadiths
they
aren't.
stories though?
No, you tell me how hadiths stories in a slightly flexible manner. You tell me how the hadiths aren't fantasy ideas.
What do you mean by that?
You tell me how hadiths aren't fantasy.
They were recorded in the memories. There are then like the premises set for them
Recorded in whose memories?
in the Sahaba.
Which Sahaba?
All of them, most of them.
Which? Please name a few.
Hazrat Anas, Hazrat Aisha radhiyallahu
Are any of them witnessed in history?
Yeah,
When?
I don't know about that.
So if you don't know, please don't
So
say.
you first came to me about this.
Look, all in
After that, you are
one
going
second.
to
The idea of one second.
Let's say on
One second.
point.
Yeah, absolutely. We'll come to this. But just so you know, the entire hadith literature, the entire idea of Sahabas, all of it, lock, stock, and barrel, is fantasy. There is no shred of qualified evidence for any of these things.
So did Hazrat Umar radhiyallahu anhu exist?
I don't know. You tell me.
You tell me.
You tell me. Is there any evidence?
What does the history say? Who was
You
the
tell
fourth
me.
Khalifa?
You tell me.
Who defeated the Romans?
What is? You tell me.
defeated the-
You tell me.
Hazrat Umar radhiyallahu anhu.
So
It is
you tell me
recorded in
what is the evidence for him? Contemporary evidence, qualified.
Historical.
Yeah, what? Which one?
Historians have recorded that.
Which one?
How can I name them?
So if you
I have
don't.
not studied, but I.
So
I
when you
know.
don't know, please don't make things up.
Do you know?
Well, I'm saying there doesn't exist any qualified source on any of these things. These are late.
There was this one professor. I forgot the name.
Don't know.
He was a
Professors
Christian-
are
he
from
was a
today.
Christian-
Professors
a Christian.
professors are from today.
Oxford.
We,
He was
we,
a
we can
Christian.
even debate Paul
He
Williams
was
if
a
you want.
Christian. He was a Christian.
You can even ask. Paul Williams established hadiths to be contemporary sources of information.
He's saying, first he came to me that the Quran states that.
Now
there
let's
is
focus
no
on the
God.
hadiths right
No,
now.
no, no,
Let's
we-
focus on that's where we need Paul.
Let's
Establish the
start from
hadiths to
where
be
it all began.
establish the
Let's
hadiths to be establish the hadiths to be contemporary literature.
He's saying that there will be more prophets
Paul,
after.
are you just going to walk away right now? He needs your help.
I don't
So you
need
see,
it.
he can't help you either. You don't know and he doesn't know either. Of course he
Come
can't.
on, come on. You are rejecting history.
Look at him. Did you
It
see
is
what he did?
recorded history.
Did you see what he did?
Did Jesus exist?
Did you see what he did?
Did Jesus exist?
My dear friend, did you see what he did?
Did Jesus exist?
Did you see what he did?
Did Paul exist?
Look, 1 second.
No, wait.
When you don't know, you know what you should do? When you don't know, you know what you should do? Walk away like him. He doesn't know either and he walked away.
Tell
He
me,
at least
did
wants to safeguard his reputation
Jesus exist?
as someone who
Did Jesus
doesn't
exist?
speak about things which he doesn't know
Did
about.
Jesus exist?
Look.
Did Paul exist? Is there any historical evidence for
Of
that?
course.
What?
For Jesus, we have contemporary
wait,
historical
wait.
sources. For Jesus,
What?
we have contemporary, qualified historical
And for
sources.
But there's
For
contradiction.
all
For
the
Paul,
witnesses.
But
absolutely.
there's contradiction in the Bible.
You, sir, you couldn't string to. No, the sun is in the sun. You're clearly you're solar powered. When the sun isn't there, you don't make sense. So please, you move on.
He's not going to come back to this one.
So you tell me, please,
He's not gonna come back.
1 second.
Let's
For
come back to
Jesus,
this
did you
one.
want the contemporary
No,
evidence?
forget about that. Let's come back to this
For
one.
Ali, is there any contemporary evidence?
Let's come back to these.
For Ali,
Come back to this.
Let's
for
come back
Ali,
to these
for
ayahs.
Ali, is there any
Come back to
contemporary
these.
evidence?
Let's come back to these.
For Ali,
Let's come back to these.
for any of,
Let's come
for
back to the
Uthman,
ayah.
is
I
there
cannot-
any
I
contemporary
cannot give you
evidence?
but
So when
but
you
I
don't,
have
when you
read
can't
history.
give
I have
evidence,
read
you know what you
history.
should do?
I have read historical books and it says
Please,
that
please,
I'm
yeah,
gonna believe
yeah,
that.
please. So
I'm gonna
give,
believe what the
please,
historical book states.
yeah. Give me historical evidence for the existence of
Let's
the
forget
Sahaba.
about that. Come to these ayahs.
So you
Come to
clearly
these
can't
ayahs.
defend the hadiths.
Come to these
So
ayahs.
you clearly can't defend the
Come
hadiths.
to these ayahs.
Okay, fine. Can we conclude
Come
this?
to these ayahs.
Can we conclude?
Okay, I lost
and then
on
we'll
it.
come here.
I
Okay.
lost on it.
All right. Okay. Now,
I am a jahil in these matters.
you-
come to
not
these.
just you, Paul also. Paul, are you a jahil also? Paul, can you? So I'm not paying you for overtime. You can move on. Like I said, once the sun went away, clearly it isn't working. Please move on. Try next time when it's still
Let's
when
come
it's
back
still
to the ayahs.
when the light is
Let's
still
come
around.
back- Let's
Paul.
come back to your claims.
Hello, Paul. Clearly,
Paul,
clearly,
Paul, brother Paul, you can't even compete with us.
please, please.
You can't even talk to
These guys, so these guys are deluded into thinking the hadiths are contemporary literature.
You made a claim.
Are you trying to protect Paul?
You made a claim.
So,
made a claim.
do you see what happened here?
You made a
You're
claim.
not gonna
Did you
listen
see
to
what
us.
happened there?
You're not gonna
You
listen
know,
to
wow,
us.
wow, wow.
He's not gonna
Did you
listen
see
to
what happened there?
You're not listening
Look,
to us either.
he knows that he needs to
You're not
protect
listening to us.
protect the
You're not
other
listening to
jahil
us.
that you have.
Listen to us.
You are exposing him. Don't do this.
Listen to us. Come on, let's talk about
Okay,
these ayahs.
so
Let's talk about these ayahs.
we have done what we have done.
No, let's talk
We've
about
done what
these
we've done.
ayahs.
Now let me ask. Let me ask you a simple
What's your
question.
name? What's your name, sir?
Do you need my bank details?
No, only your name.
Oh, you just need name.
Why should I give you
So I
anything?
can call. Okay, what shall I call you? A cow, a dog?
Like I said, return next Sunday, maybe when the sun is still around. Please. Thank you much.